Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast or just love shopping at Home Depot, getting a new credit card can be a game changer for rewards and exclusive deals. In this video, we'll walk you through how to link your new Home Depot credit card right in the store for 2025. It's super straightforward, and by the end, you'll be all set to start earning those perks. First things first, make sure you have your new credit card in hand, along with any activation code or details that came with it. If you haven't activated the card yet, you'll need to do that first, either online at the Home Depot website or via the app. Once that's done, head over to your nearest Home Depot store. Start by downloading the Home Depot app if you haven't already. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. Open the app and log in with your existing Home Depot account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one quickly. It's just a few taps. Now, navigate to the My Wallet or Credit Cards section in the app. Here, look for the option to add a new card. Enter your card details carefully, like the card number, expiration date, and security code. The app might prompt you to verify your identity, so have your ID ready if you're doing this in store at a kiosk or with an associate. Once entered, confirm the linking process. It usually takes just a minute or two. And voila, your card is now linked. You'll get a confirmation notification, and you can start using it for purchases right away. One quick tip. Always check for any promotional offers tied to your card to maximize savings. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask a store associate for help. They're there to make things easy. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this. See you in the next one.